PERCHI Engine Parts Corporation Limited is a professional manufacturer and global supplier specialized in the R&D, production, and sales of a full range of engine parts. Since its establishment, PERCHI has focused on engine sealing systems and core mechanical components. Adhering to a quality-oriented principle, we are committed to providing stable, durable, and cost-effective engine parts for global aftermarket clients, distributors, and maintenance enterprises. Our main product portfolio covers complete engine parts, including full engine gasket sets, cylinder head gaskets, intake and exhaust manifold gaskets, rocker cover gaskets, and various oil seals. Our products are widely compatible with passenger vehicles, commercial vehicles, heavy-duty trucks, construction machinery, diesel engines, and industrial generator units. PERCHI features standardized modern production workshops, advanced automated production equipment, and precision testing instruments. We have built a complete industrial chain, covering raw material selection, mold development, stamping, processing, and the finished product assembly. Our professional R&D team continuously optimizes product structures and material formulas. We adopt multiple high-quality materials, including asbestos, non-asbestos, graphite, iron, 430, stainless iron, 201, stainless steel, 301, stainless steel, and 304, stainless steel. Every product is made of premium raw materials to adapt to high temperature, high pressure, and harsh working conditions. Quality is the cornerstone of PERCHI's long-term development. We implement strict full-process quality control, including incoming raw material inspection, in-production monitoring, and finished product sampling testing. Every cylinder, head, gasket, oil, seal, and engine overhaul kit undergoes rigorous testing to meet international industrial standards. We support customized production and OEM processing, delivering personalized solutions for special engine models and market demands, and helping partners solve various parts matching challenges. With reliable quality and stable supply capacity, PERCHI products are exported worldwide to Southeast Asia, Europe, the Middle East, Africa, and other regions. We have established long-term and stable cooperative relationships with global auto parts distributors, repair shops, and construction machinery service providers. We offer one-stop procurement services, flexible order arrangements, fast logistics, and thoughtful after-sales technical support. We maintain efficient responses and professional services for both small-batch retail and large-volume bulk orders. Upholding the business philosophy of quality first, customer supreme, and win-win cooperation, PERCHI keeps innovating and upgrading. We will continue to deepen our layout in the engine parts industry, polish every product with craftsmanship, and create greater value for global partners. Choose PERCHI for high-quality engine parts and trustworthy long-term business cooperation. We sincerely look forward to cooperating with you to create a promising future for the global auto parts industry.
Thank you.